Here's a small test on triangles, the application of what you have learned in the chapter Properties of Triangles for CBSE Class 7. A small test on triangles for Class 7. First question. A triangle is given. This angle is 40 degrees. This is 80 degrees. Now to find the value of this external angle. This is given 40 degrees, this is 80 degrees. What is the value of this external angle where we have put the question mark? That's question number 1. Question number 2. Given y equal to 40 degrees, this is given. Y is 40 degrees. This angle is y. This angle is 2y. Then what is the value of the third angle where we have put the question mark? Find the value of this one. This is y, this is 2y, and y equal to 40 degrees. Next question. This is a square. This is a square and the red line is a diagonal. There is a square and the red line is a diagonal. This is x degree. Then how much is this where we have put the question mark? This is a diagonal. The red line is a diagonal dividing the square into two triangles. If this is x degrees, then what is the value of this angle where we have put the question mark? Next question. Find the length of the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. This is 12 and this is 5. So what is the length of the hypotenuse? 12 centimeter altitude, 5 centimeter base. What is the length of the hypotenuse? Next question. The angles of a triangle are 4x, 5x, and 3x. Then, what is the value of the external angle? This external angle is how much? The three angles are given as 4x, 5x, 3x. Then what is this external angle? Next question. The acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio 7:2. Find the measure of each of the three angles. It's a right angle triangle where the acute angles are in the ratio 7:2. Find the measure of each of the three angles. Find the measure of all the angles of the triangle where the acute angles are in the ratio of 7:2. And now we shall check the answers. So first question was, this was given 40 degrees. So automatically when this is 40, this will be 40. Why? Vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. So this will also be 40. So this is 40. And the external angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So this will be equal to 80 plus 40, that is 120. So we are using first the vertically opposite angles. This is 40. And second, the interior two opposite angles, this 80 and this 40 together to be 120 as equal to this question mark, which is the exterior angle. Now, y equal to 40. So this is 40. That means this is also 40. Again, we have got the vertically opposite angles. And this is 2y. So if y equal to 40, then 2y should be 80 degrees. So we have got this as 80 and this as 40. And we are using the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we have got this third angle, the question mark should be 180 minus the sum of the other two, 80 and 40. That's giving you 60 degrees. Now here Here we use one principle that because it is a square, this side should be equal to this side. In fact, all the sides are equal. In a square, all the sides are equal. But since we need only this triangle, this side is equal to this side. That means it is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, if this is x, then this also should be equal to x. Because this is an isosceles triangle where this side is equal to this side. Why? Because it is a square. So this is x, then this is also x. And this is obviously 90 degree. This is a square. It has to be 90 degree. So x plus 90 is 180. X plus x will be 2x. 2x will be 90 will go to that side and become minus 90. So 180 minus 90, 90. 2x equal to 90 or x equal to 45. So each of these two angles are 45 degrees. The length of the hypotenuse. We use the theorem of Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is base square plus altitude square. This is the hypotenuse square. This is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square will be equal to base square, which is 5 square, plus the altitude is 12. So 12 square. Hypotenuse square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. That is 5 square, 25, 12 square, 144, giving you 169. So hypotenuse square is 169, which can also be written as 13 square. 13 square is 169. So hypotenuse square is 13 square. Cancel the square on both sides. You got hypotenuse equal to 13 centimeter. Here, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So 5x, 4x, 3x, all these together should be 180. So 4x plus 5x plus 3x, that is 12x equal to 180 degrees, x equal to 15. Now, this exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. 4x plus 5x, this will be 9x. And 9x means we've already found x equal to 15. So 9x will be 9 into 15, that is 135 degree. So this angle will be 135 degree, the value of 9x, because x is 15. So 9x will be 135. Now, the acute angles of a right angle triangle, the ratio 7:2. So whenever the ratio is 7:2, we suppose the angles to be 7K and 2K. So 7K plus 2K plus 90. From where did we get the 90? Because it is a right triangle or right angle triangle. So one of the angles must be 90. 7K plus 2K plus 90 equal to 180. That is a sum of the angles of a triangle. 7K plus 2K is 9K. 9K plus 90 is 180. 9K is 90, K is 10. But this is not the answer. K is 10 is not the answer. The one of the angle must be 7K. So if K is 10, 7 into 10, 70. And 2K, 2 into 10, 20. And the third angle, obviously one of the angle will be 90 degree. So the answer would be 70, 20, 90. This is correct, but this is not the final answer. The answer should be the angles, the value of the angle 7K, 7 into 10, 70, 2K, 2 into 10, 20, and the third angle 90 degree because it is a right angle triangle. So the answer should be 70, 20, 90. That was a short video from Easy Elite English Education Trust. We hope we have found it useful. We will be coming back with more such videos. Till then, goodbye and wish all of you good luck.